Hi friends, we're going to do some animal counting moves today, and let's see if you'd like to join along. The first one is going to be one fish. One fish. So let's swim for one. One. The next one is two dogs. Let's count them. One, two dogs. Let's bark for two. Bark,
Bark,
bark.
bark.
Next we're going to do is three bunnies. So let's count them. One, two, three bunnies. We're going to hop for three. One, two, three. Next will be four pandas. Let's count them. One, two, three, four pandas. We're going to walk like a bear for four. Ready? One, two, three, and four. Next is going to be five birds. So we're going to flap for five. But before we flap, we need to count them. One, two, three, four, five birds. One, two, three, four, five. Next we're going to do is six penguins. One, two, three, four, five, six. Now we're going to walk like penguins for six counts. One, two, three, four, five, and six. Next we have seven elephants. Let's count our elephants. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven elephants. Now we're going to move for seven counts as an elephant. So put your arms down. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. For number 8, we have 8 horses. Let's count our horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 horses. We're going to gallop for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 9 frogs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 frogs. So we're going to jump like a frog for 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good job. The last one is 10 dancers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dancers. So we're going to dance for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed yourself today.